Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I have a very exciting haul today. I have a haul from Colorful July. It is a brand that I have never tried but have been wanting to try it, so I'm super excited. Before we start, I want to ask if you like this video to please give me a like and consider subscribing. So let me show you what I got. If you've never shopped on Colorful July's website before or taken a look at it, they have a lot of really good deals. They have a lot of good bundle deals. So I pretty much just bought bundles. I believe I bought 4 different bundles. And so I was able to get a lot for my money. And also I was given a free gift. So thank you so much. I was really excited when she said that she was going to send it to me, my new friend over at Colorful July. So the first thing that I got was a couple of different colors of swatch sticks, which I love. I have all 3 of these colors and I'm excited to add more because I do a lot of swatching. And then I got some of these bags. She gave me some larger sizes and some smaller sizes. I've seen some people cut these up and kind of use it for like aura nails or aurora nails, whatever it is. So I could also use it for that. Next, I have 3 super cute packs of stickers. As you can see, we have some Playboy bunnies, alligators, I believe. I have some spiders, spider webs, and this last one, I'm not really sure what it is. It looks like a bunch of bubbles, but it's super cute. I think those are my favorite. Next, I was giving 4 different shapes of these, I guess, swatch pieces. I have hearts. It looks like I have some circles. I have some clouds, and it looks like I have some kitty heads. So these are really cool. These will be good for my swatches when I get to that point. So that is everything that came in that little goodie bag. I love everything in it. I am so appreciative to have these little extra goodies. Moving on to the rest of the items, I do have one more gift in here. It is this really pretty chain link. I recently used a chain in my nail design and I loved it so much, so I'm really excited to try this one. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, so the first set that I'm going to show you are these floral gels. And this set came with 6 different colors, and these are gels that have little pieces of dried flowers in it. It is a very loose consistency and kind of like a clear jelly, but I was very intrigued by these, so I'm excited to see what these will look like. And all of these gels came sealed, so that is great. It just sucked having to open each one. While I'm showing you the colors that I got, this is the Floral Gel Bundle, and like I said, you get 6 colors, and it was $21.99 for all 6. There are a total of 12 different colors that you can pick from. I am super excited to try these out. I'm not sure how I will use them, but we will see. The next bundle we have is the Glitter Solid Gel Bundle, and you get 12 of these for $39.99, which means that each of these was just a little over $3 a piece. And there are a total of 20 different colors that you can pick from for these gels. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to continue this voiceover without a mic for some reason. My mic is acting up, so I hope you don't mind. Anyways, this next set is my favorite set for sure. These are the metal gels, and this comes in a pack of 6, which is all the colors that they have, and these are $25.99, I believe. You can't tell me these aren't beautiful. And last but not least, we have the Solid Gel Bundle. This comes in a pack of 12, and this one costs $42.99. So basically, these are less than $4 a piece. There are 60 total colors that you can get in the solid gel formula. So like I said, you guys, this is the best way to build your collection and to try a lot of products from Colorful July. It is super affordable and you get so much for your money. And on top of that, right now as I am making this video, they are still having a Valentine's Day sale, so you can get even more off your purchase. This is the time, guys. This is the time to try them. I know I haven't swatched these yet or played with the consistency, but I have really high hopes for these, so I'm not gonna make a whole video for swatching. I'm actually gonna do them as a short. I will do each one as a collection, so just look out for that. But that is the end of this haul. I appreciate you guys spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.